This is a brand new 2013 Toyota Venza. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, big 20-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.